Room 2110, I knocked on the door at the penthouse suite. 'Cause
So a lot of you ask me questions on how to prepare for UPSC as a beginner, how to begin, from where to start, coaching or self-study, detailed clarification. The answer to all your problems is Prep IAS. Go and subscribe to their channel, and in this video further, I will tell you exactly how you can prepare for UPSC with Prep IAS resources. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just starting my day, moving some curtains and just getting on with the morning. I move on to make my bed and the comforter scares Dash away. After that, I am fluffing up some pillows and just making my bed very neat and tidy. And now the usual stuff. ये लीजिए ding 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 ding. This is what is called beautiful. Let's put some cream cheese on my toast. Scoop it up. Lovely. Try my sandwiches. So now I'm going to add some tartar sauce, which is the best thing ever. So, like this, and like this. Your tomatoes. And put your, and then pick it up and add your egg. So I'm quickly going to watch half an episode of Lucifer while eating breakfast because I've been feeling a little stressed out lately and I just want to calm myself down a bit. Welcome back to my channel, which is according to Aditi. Bath, brush, take a shower, eat breakfast, cook breakfast, eat breakfast, Simba and Dash their food, then clean their plates, then clean the house and do the pocha, jhadu, everything. Now I'm finally done. So when I'm done with all the work, I have a sense of accomplishment. I feel like I can take on the day. My mind is free from all the work. I go to the kitchen again to make chai. I won't feel like a kitchen ganda hai, mujhe koi bartan dhone hai, because I finish what I start.
if I'm cooking the food and I finish eating, I make sure I wash my plates and the vessels I cooked in, because I know that if I started a task, I should be finishing it. This is my big tip for you guys. अगर आप अकेले रहते हो, अगर आप अकेले नहीं भी रहते हो पर आप अपने घर पे अपना काम खुद करते हो, तो जो भी चीज़ आप शुरू करो, मेक श्योर आप उसको उसी टाइम ख़त्म करो. डोंट थिंक कि क्लीन अप एक अलग टास्क है. डोंट थिंक कि जो सफाई करनी होती है वो अलग से हो सकती है. उसको आप उसी टास्क का एक पार्ट समझो. एंड वंस यू आर एबल टू डू दैट, इट एक्चुअली इंस्टिल्स अ गुड हैबिट इन यू, and it kind of teaches you self-discipline or willpower, if I may say so. So let's get done with the studies now. I'll see you on the other side.
दो प्रोग्राम थे, ये बेसिकली रूरल डेवलपमेंट के प्रोग्राम थे. उसमें ये एम था.
So I often get asked, how do we begin prep? From where do we start? Should we do coaching or self-study? What about detailed clarification? The answer to all your questions is Prep IAS. Make sure you subscribe to their channel. After subscribing to them, go to their channel here, and here you'll see a link for the registration of the free course. So as you can see, the faculty of Prep IAS are the ones who've cleared prelims and mains multiple times. They have many years of teaching experience. So as you can see here below, the course duration is from 17th March to 20th June 2021, but all the videos that have been produced for the crash course will remain on their channel for free. I'll show you how. So click on their playlist and you'll have everything at your disposal, from daily answer writing to daily current affairs, main strategy, science and tech crash course, to polity crash course, modern history, economics, ancient history, science and tech, and prelims crash course, like I said before. So everything is available for your use and they're all absolutely for free. So the registration form will have everything from the features of the course to the faculty details, and then you also have to fill out all your details and you're set to go. I myself am going to use these resources, and I'm going to scroll down to the local bodies Panchayati Raj, because that's what I'm doing today. So in the description of the video, you'll find a lot of links. One will be to view the entire playlist. One will be for clearing your doubts. There'll be a form which you can fill. Third will be the feedback of your lecture which you can give, and then there will be notes of the lecture available. There is a registration form which I showed you in the beginning for the free crash course if you haven't already. So here the link of complete schedule is this one. It will show you whatever classes are upcoming and which have been done, and how you can find those on the YouTube playlist. There is a Telegram channel for notes and PDF and topic discussions, so you can join that as well. So everything is basically covered. You're sorted for your preparation. So now I'm going to start off with the local bodies Panchayati Raj. When I'm doing Panchayati Raj, I'll quickly go to my Notion. I'll click on UPSC Prep, Polity, and I know the local government part is on part 5, and here are the questions. So this is good for prelims and mains. So like I've put questions like, what is Panchayati Raj system? What is its aim? Which committee recommended this system? Describe some of its provisions. So when I'll be reading stuff like Balwant Rai Committee, GVK Rao, Ashok Mehta, everything, I will know how I have to question myself and prepare. I won't be making notes. I'll just write pointers to the answers. So my mind works in the way that, I'm able to put out some points when somebody asks me a question. So this is how I'm going to be studying for.
Hold up. I've been noticing you've been watching my video for far too long. Shouldn't you be doing something else now? I want to study in peace, and you should too. So you go back to your studies, or you do something productive, do something for yourself. Even if you want to go watch a movie, please go watch a movie. Don't stay on YouTube for too long. It's a recommendation after recommendation. But if you are serious about UPSC preparation, go check out Prep IAS channel. Subscribe to them, watch their videos, use their resources which are available absolutely for free. And yeah, I hope you don't keep asking me where to begin. If you're a beginner, this is where you begin. So go check them out. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe
subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like, why wouldn't you? My channel is amazing. No, just kidding. If you don't want to, it's fine. No pressure. Why am I talking like this? Okay, so yeah, stay safe, work hard, and make yourself proud. Nobody else but yourself. See you in my next video, and I'll be adding here the subscriber shout out from the last video. Thank you so much for all your comments. It means a lot to me. I read every single one of them, and more power to you, more power to us, and let's get to the grind. Bye. Chalo. Clapping.